Okay, good evening. So let's continue resolution of vector. बताया था कि resolution means splitting a vector. तो जब हम split करने की बात कर रहे हैं तो इसमें कुछ और चीजें देखते हैं और खासकर resolution में rectangular resolution देखते हैं पहले. Rectangular resolution, right? इसमें let's say we have something like we have xy plane, and in the plane we have velocity vector v. So we can have this as OP is a vector, position vector, and this V can be expressed along two. It can be a Vx component and it can be Vy component. So this velocity vector having two components, which is Vx plus Vy. Now, when we talk about this Vx, let's say it is inclined at certain angle theta. So base will be V cos theta. Similarly, Vy will be V sin theta, which means if we square and add squaring and adding equation 1 and 2, it will be Vx square plus Vy square is equal to V square sin square theta plus V square cos square theta, which means V square is common. So it is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is 1. So we get V square as Vx square plus Vy square. Therefore, V can be Vx square plus Vy square under root. Right? So V is resolved into its components, right? And these components are along x and y axis. So let's say this is the third. Now if we divide equation 2 by 1, then what we get? It will be V sin theta upon V cos theta is equal to Vx upon Vy, which means V तो cancel हो गया, तो sin by cos is tan, so tan theta is Vx divided by Vy, which means if you want theta, value of theta, it can be tan inverse of, it is Vy upon Vx, right? It is Vy upon Vx, 2 by 1, right? So Vy upon Vx. So tan inverse of Vy upon Vx. So this way we can find the angle or angle of inclination. Now, if we can split and we can apply, then one of the application of this is, it is called walk of a man. हम आप जो walk करते हैं, that can be explained on the basis of resolution of vector. Resolve करके हम explain कर सकते हैं. कैसे? Let's see. So application में, having said that, walk of a man. अब walk करने को हमने बताना है, तो हम कैसे बता सकते हैं? Let's say this is the horizontal. Over this horizontal, we are standing like this. तो actually we push inside the earth, and thus we get a reaction force. And this reaction force is inclined at certain angle theta with the earth. And so it has two components. This is r sine theta, and this is r cos theta. So this r sine theta component is actually balancing our weight mg. But this r cos theta remains as such, no force against it, left side. So r cos theta component helps us to walk, right? So this way we can explain the walk of a person. नाउ एक और न्यूमेरिकल देखते हैं, एंड न्यूमेरिकल इज लाइक दिस, based on resolving a vector only, which means okay. So question is, there is a rope which is fixed at two ends with a ceiling. Ceiling से ये fixed है, right? Now a person is holding the rope in between, बीच में. तो बीच में पकड़ने से क्या होगी, तो ये कुछ ऐसे नीचे आ जाएगी. And let's say person, this is mg, weight of the person. So हमें पूछ रहा है कि how much tension or force of tension should be there in the rope so that it won't bend or it will remain straight, right? Person holding the rope in between, which is fixed at two ends with a ceiling. Now what should be the force of tension so that rope remains straight? फिर से हमें रिजॉल्यूशन ही रिजॉल्व ही करनी है हमें, मतलब इस टी को रिजॉल्व करते हैं. तो दिस टी गोइंग लाइक दिस, तो इनके दो कंपोनेंट, एक ये और दूसरी कंपोनेंट वे दिस एंगल थीटा. सो दिस एंगल अल्टरनेट एंगल वुड बी थीटा. तो दिस इज टी cos theta and this will be t sin theta, right? Similarly, this t left side, it can be also resolved. One t this side, which will be t sin theta, because this theta, so alternate angle, this would be also theta, and this will be t cos theta. So this horizontal component left and right side are equal and opposite, so it will cancel out. So t cos theta are equal and opposite, so cancelled. Now vertical component, when we talk about vertical component, then this t sin theta and t sin theta, so it will be added to 2t sin theta को इक्वेट हम करेंगे, तो नीचे mg हमारी वेट है, तो mg हो गई. हमसे क्वेश्चन में ये t पूछ रहा है, which means this t can be mg divided by 2 sin theta. now t की वैल्यू, तो रोप शुड बी स्ट्रेट, तो स्ट्रेट रहने के लिए थीटा कितनी होनी चाहिए, 0 डिग्री. और यहाँ पे है साइन, तो साइन 0 is 0, which means t would be mg divided by 2 into 0. So something divided by 0 gives us infinity, which means rope should be straight, or rope सीधी would be straight only when tension in the rope is infinite. So technically and practically it is impossible. So hope you are getting this. and I'm able to convey. So thank you so much. May God bless you. Enjoy your day. Don't forget to hit like button, share it with your friends, subscribe it, and do write